paraluman nung tayo ay bata pa. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just playing a OPM music. That song is called Ang Huling El Bimbo by Eraserheads. So, oh, I forgot this was a video. So, okay. Welcome again to Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. And once again, I am John Michael. You can call me JM for short. Yeah. So, you're wondering why I am playing a OPM music, right? Because today we are going to talk about a OPM or original Filipino music. So, okay, so let me put my guitar on this side. So, now, once again, I am John Michael. You can call me JM for short. And before you watch the whole video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, my friend. And click the notification bell for more videos. Exciting videos, wonderful videos, and exciting videos, yeah. So, today, what is OPM? What is OPM? Before we dive into the history, let's define OPM. Originally, it referred to songs composed and performed by Filipino artists in 70s and 80s. But today, it represents in the 70s and it represents Filipino-made music. Let me fix my camera. Yeah, thank you. From ballads to rock, indie, and even hip hop. Yeah. So, so let's dive into the history. So the 70s and 80s were considered the golden age of OPM, thanks to legends like Apo Hiking Society, Ray Valera, and Sharon Cuneta. This era was known for heartfelt ballads, folk music, and love songs that still resonate today. So, now, let's talk about a OPM rock revolution. Yeah, OPM rock revolution. So, fast forward to the 90s and early 2000s. This is when Pinoy rock and alternative music took a center stage. Yeah. Bands like Eraserheads, River Maya, and Parokya ni Edgar ruled the airwaves, defining the generation with anthems that are still played today, like this song by Eraserheads. This song is called, what's that again? Ang Huling El Bimbo. Yeah. Let me forward to the pre-chorus. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me sing. Let me play a song. Just give me a few minutes. I'm going to fast forward to a pre-chorus, and then after the pre-chorus, let's song the chorus. Yeah. So this is the pre-chorus. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay diretso na sa inyo, at kung maghapon ay tuturuan mo ako. So, chorus. magkahawak ang ating at walang kamalay-malay. Oh, I forgot the other lyrics. So anyways, thank you for letting me sing for a few minutes. So yeah, and we're done at a OPM. What's that? OPM rock. OPM rock revolution. Oh no, what time is it? Let me see. It's 9:47. I'm checking the I'm checking the time because after this video I am going to school. Yeah, I have a class today. I'm currently a fourth year high school student. Yeah, and I'm almost grade 11, and I'm excited though. I'm going to learn learn things and new experiences. Yeah. Anyways, let's so OPM in the digital age. So today OPM is stronger than ever with indie artists and mainstream musicians gaining global recognition. Acts like Ben and Ben, Four of Spades, and SB19 are breaking barriers. Yeah, proving that Filipino music can shine on the international stage, not eternal stage. Why I'm talking about a eternal stage? Eternal stage is like like um endless performance. Yeah. Anyways, so Filipino music can shine on the international stages. Yeah, I love Ben and Ben, Four of Spades. I've heard about SB19, but I still like this song though. So now the future of OPM with the platform like Spotify, Spotify, mm, Spotify, YouTube, and TikTok. OPM is reaching more audiences worldwide. Worldwide, the mix of traditional Filipino sounds with modern production ensures that our music will continue to evolve and inspire future generations. Yeah, inspire future generations and let me fix it. Oh, this I think this is going to be a short video, like a 9-minute or 10-minute video, but because I have a practice of dances in the school, like foundation day, Broadway. Yeah, and our Broadway and our like final performance on Broadway is on February 24. So we're on practice right now. I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to like prepare to do. Yeah, because some's called. So let me just I don't know who that is, but let's continue. So let me do not disturb this phone. Do not disturb, because you are You are disturbing my in in my middle of my video. And anyways, what are we talking about? Oh, so I'm going to tell you, like, um fourth year fourth year high school student is not very easy to me, because I have a lot of stuff to do, lot of stuff, and it's not easy when you're, like, when you're with a vlogging and school, like, you want to do it at the same time. That's why my videos are sometimes, like, not, but I know, no, that's why my videos are sometimes not, like, directly sent, because I have a lot of stuff to do in my school, because in a in the Broadway is like a performance that's have a dance and singing and acting. It's just like a theater. Yeah. So, oh, anyways, what are we talking about? So we're talking about a OPM. Yeah, OPM. So I have lots stuff to do after this video, so I'm going to make a second video after this. So anyways, let me sing a song for you. This song is called Huling El Bimbo by Eraserheads. Let me sing this for you. Are you ready? So let me skip. So I'm going to verse. I'm going to song directly. I'm not going to play the introduction. Yeah. Cream, because um my mom is teaching the students downstairs. They will hear my voice, and actually I am very, very loud. Yeah. So anyways, where did I stop? So oh no, my phone. Maghahawak ang ating kamay at wala, excuse me, malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umiiling at ulan. La 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 la. la 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 la. Yeah. So after that song, I'm going to play another song. Is this song is a originally Filipino music. So let me get my capo from the guitar. Yes, I'm going to play a Paraluman, yeah, Paraluman by Adi. Adi. So I'm going to put my capo in the fifth fret to make the notes higher. So let me find something. Wait, just a second. Okay, so let me play this for you. This song is called Paraluman by Adi. You ready? No. Namumukad karang aking ligaya. Oh, do you remember this song? I sing this song. I think the video is all about killing moments, I guess. Oh, anyway, so let me continue. Namumukad karang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para lumay ika'y akin ng patalin sa di mo'y nasahang paradiso. Palagi kita awitan ng kundi man di masawa, di ka pababayaan. Isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to end this video because I'm going to make another video. The video is all about so I'm not going to spoil it. I'm not going to spoil the another video. And yeah, I think that's all for today's video. So I hope you love it. I hope you love that video. Oh, so we're going to continue. Sorry. No, I'm going to continue. Okay, so where did I stop? The platforms like Spotify, YouTube, TikTok. Yeah, in our music is going to continue to evolve and inspire the future generations. Yeah, inspire it. So, and yeah, I think that's all I'm going to talk about. So Yeah, and that's a wrap. So, OPM isn't just a music, it's a reflection of our culture, emotions, and identity. What's your favorite OPM song? Excuse me. What's your favorite OPM song? Hmm? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more exciting videos. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I think that's all. Yeah. Oh, my outro. So my outro is, in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, everyone. So that's all. Thank you so much.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.